AMSOIL Signature Series Synthetic Motor Oil is engineered for enthusiasts seeking maximum protection and performance. Precision-formulated with cutting-edge technology and a long-standing devotion to making the world's best motor oil. The result, engine protection that blows the doors off the highest industry standards. AMSOIL Signature Series Oil protects against engine wear by developing a strong fluid film that keeps metal surfaces separated, while its robust anti-wear additives further reduce wear on metal-to-metal contact regions for maximum engine life. AMSOIL Signature Series Oil provides 75% more engine protection against horsepower loss and wear than required by the industry standard, extending the life of vital components like pistons and cams. AMSOIL Signature Series Oil provides reserve protection, allowing you to go longer between oil changes if you choose, up to 25,000 miles. Key benefits of AMSOIL Signature Series Synthetic Motor Oil include 75% more engine protection against horsepower loss and wear, 50% more detergents to help keep oil passages clean and promote oil circulation, protects turbochargers 72% better than required by the GM Dexos Gen 2 specification. Fortified with a heavy treatment of detergent additives, delivering 28% more acid neutralizing power than Mobil 1 and helping engines stay cleaner, longer. Trusted by professional engine builders. Guaranteed protection for up to 25,000 miles or 1 year. Keeps pistons cleaner, even after doubling the length of the industry standard test. AMSOIL delivered 40% cleaner pistons than required by the standard. Provides 90% better protection against sludge. Get yours today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Thanks, have a great day.